So today we're going to be doing the two exact same routes, one during the daytime, one at night. We'll find out how dangerous riding at night is, because when I think of riding during the day, during the day you can easily see any road obstructions. If there's potholes or gravel in the road you want to avoid, you can easily do that during the day. As I'm riding right now, I'm nice and relaxed. I don't have to worry about that extra visibility issue. So here's my dim light, and here's my bright. Big difference. And one thing I realized, I have a tinted visor. That doesn't work too good at night. I'm getting a mouthful of bugs. Roads, there could be raccoons, possum, deer running out at any point, but I don't really adjust my riding, thinking about, because I'm worried about it. But I do at night. So just, we got a curve coming up. A lot harder to pay. To me, it's a lot more difficult. Never know these country roads, if deer's going to jump out in front of you. I don't think about it as much during the day, but it's got me a little worried at night. Oh, that hurt. God dang. That son of a bitch. That bug hit me hard, man. Oof. God damn it. All these freaking bugs. Just so much more enjoyable riding during the day than at night. Just for those reasons, you got to be extra cautious and extra paranoid about all these additional things that you can't see. So all the things on this first half of this ride, like that little bit of bark or wood chips in the road, easily see all that, not worried about it. All becomes a little more paranoid. I become a little more paranoid as I'm riding at night. So see, as we take this ride later tonight. Active right. Car coming. We got to kill the bright. So what's really blinding, just headlights in general. They turned their brights off luckily before they saw me. So this back road, going today, nice, easy, relaxed. Took that turn like an old granny. Alright, now we're out here. So I'm riding this country road. 9:36 p.m. I can't see crap. Bright on? Oh yeah, there we go. No bright? Nope. There we go. That's not bad. You see these turns? I can't see nothing. Bright on? Alright, now it's doable. So I really feel like you are more visible to cars at night with all the reflectors and all my lights obviously showing up more in the dark. But it's a hell of a lot harder to ride at night. Cars are blinding you. Harder to see the road, harder to see potholes. I'm really surprised so many riders will ride at night. Oof. And then kind of my own fault not having a non-tinted shield. I had my shield up most of the way. I had it partially down, and I was getting bugs, a torrential downpour of bugs on my face.